Okay, this video is about cosmic portal topology and their Boltzmann brain bridges, and I'll put a link to a description of what Boltzmann brains are. And the second title of this, I guess you can call it a Televisual Portal, the ideal ultimate standalone peripheral for the future of quantum computers. I should have said that. And that's a picture of a quantum computer, stock picture, I guess. That's a picture of a portal. These are pictures of two portals and their connection through the Boltzmann brain hypothesis and entangled. First, it's the principle of informational space, the quilted multiverse and the many worlds hypothesis, quantum entangled, finitely configurable patches of reality. And this is based on my invisible holographic principle of the multiverse and the idea, the concept, the conjecture that space, when you make an object invisible, you don't just make an object invisible, you make the space that it rests in invisible, because information is space, and the light information that's sent through an object to make it invisible, it's also making space, the object, the space that the object rests in, invisible. So that has a lot of ramifications for actually manipulating the space around you. If we can make it invisible visually to the observer. And this is based on an extension of Landar's principle for information conservation. Wherever information disappears, it has to reappear somewhere else. Wherever space itself disappears, it must reappear somewhere else. And they use the basic model I've always had of a shell within a shell, an invisible surface and a holographic interior. And this is actually a duality within a duality, the invisible holographic inverse relationship and the holographic bound and the bulk inside, their duality. The non-duality of the holographic principle is in the interior and on the brain of the holographic horizon. But I postulate that there is an invisible horizon around our observable cosmic curtain, an invisible horizon that keeps us concealed from other universes necessarily to maintain our reality. We're invisible. Each universe acts as a portal. It has portal potential. It actually has Boltzmann brain potential at every point in the universe. And but in a Boltzmann brain, I believe you can equally say is a portal, a cosmic portal, because it is a configuration, a finite configuration of reality, quilted, but it's also entangled through what I believe would be some sort of a fractal skin, a very connection from the portal to its outside reality and also to its interior reality. And so when you vanish over here, I believe not just figuratively you would reappear, not just virtually, you would reappear somewhere over here, wherever you're destined to reappear at. Because when you make space invisible totally, you make it reappear somewhere else totally, not just visually, not just virtually. And this is my idea of an invisible holographic principle, a duality within a duality that I've discussed more in depth in other videos. But the televisual portal is the ideal ultimate standalone peripheral for a quantum computer, for the future of quantum computers. And so this is view. This is a portal at one place. Has the holodeck of the other portal next to it inside. This is the portal of the other place and has a holodeck of the portal of the previous portal inside. And these two brains represent the configurable as above